Hey guys, so in this video we are going to look at exercise 4.5 applications of simultaneous equations. They are a bunch of worded questions and they are difficult if you don't understand the question. Okay, once you understand the questions, once you know how to set it up, it becomes as easy as 4.3 or 4.4. Okay, so let's get into it. So question 1. Ashley received better results for his mathematics test than for his English test. If the sum of the two marks is 164, the difference is 22. Calculate the mark he received for each subject. So you gotta figure out what the question is asking us. So the question is asking us calculate the marks he received for each subject. So when you come to defining your variables, that's what you want your variables to be, the marks for each subject. Okay, so for example, I'm going to make the variable m, okay, and this is my math marks, okay, marks for math, and e is equal to my English marks. Okay, so we've set up our variable. We've set up our variables. Now we are going to make the equations. So I normally read the questions about 2 times or 3 times so that it is clear. Okay. Normally it's a bit difficult to just read it once and go, oh, okay, I know what I have to do now. So normally read it a few times, read it carefully, make sure you understand everything. Okay, once you've understand everything, then we're going to formulate the equations. Okay, so we want to make 2 equations from this question. Okay, so we're looking for the key information. The first key information, it says that the math test, okay, has a higher mark than the English test. Okay, he did better in his math test than his English test. Well, we can't. Well, that's just saying that m is greater than e. Okay, math marks is greater than the English marks, but this is not really of use to us. Okay, so if the sum of the 2 marks is 164, so that means m plus e equals to 164. Okay, let's call this the first equation, and the difference is 22, so that means m take away e equals to 22, and we call this equation 2. You could do e take away m, but it wouldn't be 22 because it will be negative, right? Because e, if you're taking a bigger number from a smaller number, you're going to get a negative answer. So it has to be m take away e. So once you have your equations written down, what you want to do is you want to decide whether you're going to use simultaneous, whether you're going to use the substitution or the elimination method. Excuse me. So in this particular example, we are going to use the elimination method. Okay, so we can either get rid of the m's or we can get rid of the e's. Both is fine. I'm going to get rid of the m's, so I'm going to do equation 1 take away equation 2. Okay, so equation 1 take equation 2. So m take away m is nothing. E take away negative e or minus e, that becomes 2e, and 164 take away 22 is 142. So 2e equals to 142. So dividing 2 to both sides, so e is 71. So once you figure out what e is, just substitute it back to either equation 1 or equation 2. So sub e equals to 71 into equation 1. So m plus 71 equals to 164. Take away 71 to both sides. That leaves m equal to 93. So he got 93 for his maths and 71 for his English. Okay.